sure I look straight. You know what I'm saying? YouTube, bruh. It's your boy Bitna. We back with another video, bruh. I got the front lip splitter, whatever you want to call that, bruh. It just came in the mail, literally, I want to say like 20 minutes ago, bruh. I ain't even opened it yet. I just got it, put it right here. I'll cover that up anyways, but I'm finna do like a little install and me putting it on. Feel what I'm saying? Let me see if I can open it with one hand. Just open all the way. Oh, that's in different pieces. Oh. Let me set the camera up and then I'm gonna take it out, bro. Saved by the dope gang. Main piece right here. Oh shit, no, I'm sorry. It shouldn't be hard. Oh shit, that shit gave me a heart attack, bro. I thought that shit was cracked. Saved by the dope. But the color, or I could say the finish that I went with is a gloss black because the diffuser gloss black. I ain't want to do no matte black. Feel like that wouldn't look right. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna go ahead and move the beast, flip her around because it's too hot outside to be working in the hot. So I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start. Let's see what she's talking about, man. Inside the garage with it now. I'm finna get to work on the installer. I might throw in the GoPro to get y'all like a closer look, or I might just set it up. Y'all could just watch me work, or I could record something on my phone. Yeah, this camera. Boy, I need to clean my car, boy. Sad. Hopefully this shit stays still. The next mod on my charger is gonna be a cold air intake. I'm just gonna let y'all know that now, bro. I'm finna show y'all how the Hellcat wine, bro. This the Hell kit. Shit, I should be whining y'all, boy. That's how the hell kitty be whining, man. Shit, I wish this motherfucker was a Hellcat. Wait, hold on. Ain't no way this all this shit that came with it, bro. I was about to say. Dang, they ain't give me no 3M tape, bro. All they gave me was screws, God. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. Shit. I guess it's time. Hold on, bro. Hold on, so how did they connect? Or am I tripping? Oh, they just snap in? Oh, tight shit. They just snap in? Like that? I'm guessing. Alright, y'all. So you about it. Nah, that shit too long for me. Let me get a little preview. A little preview. Damn, my shit ain't gonna go. Let me check this shit. But y'all see it though. Yeah, y'all see the vision. Y'all see the vision. Y'all see the vision. Now the thing is, can we get this motherfucker up here today? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see if this shit is gonna attach straight to the underlayer, bro. Or am I gonna have to drill into the actual bumper? Let me flip this around so I can see what y'all see. Oh shit. Am I tweaking that? Damn. Saved by the dope game. Hey, oh, never mind. I see the bitches. They're right here. Thought I lost the screws. Damn. Let me see what it looked like under here first. I'm not trying to drill into my bumper though. Shit. Bruh, I might run to the store and go get some 3M tape, bro. Let me see if they got that at this store.
This is, but it looks like it's about 30. So I'm gonna throw some adhesive tape all on here, and then I'm gonna screw with this drill. Screw anyway, so it doesn't screw right through it. Stuff like this, but yeah. So that's tape, if you know what I'm trying to say. But I don't know. I don't want to put it up here because I don't want the lip to be like out, and you'll be able to see the tape, like the edge of the tape. If you know what I'm trying to. Oh, no hole right there. All right, you want to take that right there.
That shit gonna be able to easy install, bro.
Alright, y'all. So as you can see, we used the whole roll of Gorilla tape. Mounted. She kind of. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I didn't record this process, but there is tape on these plastic pieces. So pretty much what I did, I started off with this side first, which is the passenger side. She looking good though. Front lip sitting pretty good. So yeah. So we gonna screw these up. And I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. Tanny. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, we got most of the screws in. Still got a couple more slots though. Like right here, a couple more down there, a couple more up here. But I'm gonna show y'all how to screw it in case some of y'all need help. And as you can see, we are struggling. You may see a little gap, but it ain't too bad. Once again, hopefully y'all saw that, but just give that screw a little bit of force, and it should mount up right to you.
Chat, we done ran into a little bit of a problem, bro. I just peeped. I can't find a drill, bro, and I don't have no 3M tape. So a trip to Walmart might be necessary. Might be necessary, bro. Damn. I'm gonna pick the camera back up. Actually, bro, I'm gonna take it out with me. Fuck it. Come on, let go. So motherfucking hot. To the local Walmart, man. I think I'm gonna do these little 3M joints. And they should work. Or I think I might go to the section with Gorilla tape, if they have something like that's 5 foot. Am I tripping, bro? When did drills become this much? I need one for like a little 15. I ain't gonna use the motherfucker no more. Damn. We acquired the goods, bruh, so we could finish this video. I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I get to the house. Damn, I forgot where I parked. Shit. Damn. Ow. We back, bruh. We back like we never left, bruh. Yes, I almost ran over this when I was coming inside the garage, bruh. Y'all can see, right? Yeah. So, bruh, what we end up doing, bro, we went to the store to go get some goddamn Gorilla, what is it called? Gorilla mountain tape. And I got a drill. And basically, I'm finna just put this up as like an extra security. Really, because I really don't want to screw all of the holes into the bumper to begin with. So I'm finna put this all along the lip, stick it up there, then drill in there. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that, man.
I'm saying simple as that.
I got 3 little sections on my passenger side. I'm gonna do that on my driver's side also. And on this bigger piece, I might put 4 if we have enough tape. I think this should be enough. Okay, it look like a lot on there. Like I said, bro, I just basically did the same thing to this other side. Now I'm finna do the last part, and then we should be Gucci to go ahead and test fit it up there. And you could grab some alcohol and like wipe it off if there's some dust on there. I got some alcohol and some microfiber to help the tape stick better. I ended up having a little bit more, so I just put like some like little pieces right there for like some extra security. I ended up putting 5 on this. It should be straight. Now I'm finna go ahead and test fit it, make sure everything, well not really test fit, but nigga, we gotta put it up there because it's tape. So I'm finna go ahead and put that on the car. Should take like 5-10 minutes. Ain't be nothing. I think the best approach to put this up is to just start, pick a side, start, connect it with the middle piece, and finish the other end. But let me go ahead and take off the Gorilla joint. Probably should have did that before I cut it. But yeah, I should have did that shit. Got finished. My camera was overheating, so I ain't even recorded me putting on this last piece. Bro, when I tell y'all this shit is sturdy with just the tape, bro. This shit is sturdy with just the tape. But it was a pretty simple install. They all just, since it's a 3-piece, it just snaps right there. Snaps in. Pretty self-explanatory, but for extra protection, I guess, I'm gonna put a few of the screws in there. But when I tell you, like, even if you like misalign it, bro, you try to get it off with the tape, bro, it's just not gonna come off, bro. Trust me, bro. But let me see, little time check. 2:44, bro. Wasn't that bad. But yeah, though, I'm gonna take it, after I put the bolts in, I'm gonna take it outside in the sun a little bit so I can show y'all what it really looked like. These are the screws that they provide, bro. Finna just drill them straight into the undercarriage shit. Pretty simple. And connect the I think they have screw holes to connect the 3 pieces too, also. But probably finna record on my phone under there. Finna take the car to the legendary spot where I always finish my videos at, bruh. Let me see if I can find the keys. Yeah, though, man. That's the lip install, bro. Let me get a little close up. They got a lot of fingerprints on it, but yeah, though, this joint's sturdy. Not going nowhere, bro. Sturdy, straight. I had put, I think, like 2 screws over here, 1 at the end, 1 right there. I think 3 right there and 2 more on that side, just like as an extra security. I know the Gorilla Tape, over time, it's not gonna be the same. But if anything does happen, bro, I'll just add more screws. You know what I'm saying? As long as this bit don't fly off on like the highway. I hope it don't fly off on the highway. But I just took it on like a nice little test drive. I ain't get up to like highway speeds though. But